Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these warm and delicious old-fashioned pumpkin spice donuts. These are cake donuts that are nice and light, soft, and full of flavor. A lot of recipes call for using canned pumpkin, but I like to use pumpkin flour. It's made from 100% pumpkins with no added flavorings or preservatives, so you get a really nice pumpkin flavor to it that's not too overpowering. I'll have a link to the pumpkin flour that I use in the description box, as well as a full recipe. Let's start with mixing 150 grams of sugar and 30 grams of room temperature butter until they start to come together. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 whole egg and mix this until the egg is fully incorporated. Give the sides of the bowl a quick scrape to get everything back into the center. Then we're going to add 100 grams of pumpkin flour, 15 grams of baking powder, 6 grams of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, and 200 grams of buttermilk. I had this left over from when I made butter at home, so make sure you check out that video. Now we just need to mix everything until it comes together. We're making cake donuts, so we don't want to overmix the dough, otherwise we'll end up with chewy donuts. You can see the texture of the dough is pretty close to Play-Doh. It holds its shape pretty well and it's not really crumbly. That's what you're looking for. Just kind of comes together, holds its shape, doesn't fall apart. Now I just want to shape the dough into a square, wrap it in plastic wrap, and then put it in the fridge for a few hours or overnight, and then we'll be ready to make our donuts. Roll the dough out to 1/2 inch thick, and then all we need to do is cut out the donuts. You can use a donut cutter, or I use my circle cutters. It's a number 90 and a number 30. I reshape the dough to make sure that I use all the pieces that are left over, and then all we have to do is fry them. I like to fry the donuts at 355 degrees Fahrenheit and then fry them till they're golden brown. I usually do 2 big ones and then a couple of the holes at the same time, just so I don't overcrowd the pan. Then when they are golden brown, we're going to take them out and let them rest on a paper towel or rack to soak up any extra oil. To make our pumpkin spice sugar, we're going to start with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of clove, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of ginger. Just mix this all together and it'll be ready to sprinkle on top of the donuts. I like to make a pumpkin spice sugar instead of mixing the spice into the donuts, so when you eat the donuts, the pumpkin flavor is separate from the spice and they both stand out on their own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You can follow me on my Instagram at A Chef with a Spoon. Drop me a comment if there's any dishes that you want to see me make. See you next time.